lagi sama Poika dan
Bangsa Beni.
hari ini adalah tanggal 31 Januari. Kita mau merayakan tahun baru, New Year. New Year.
This is a romantic candlelight dinner in the New Year's evening.
Ya, pokoknya ala-ala Poika dan Bangsa Beni ya. Di sini ada kartun yang udah Poika masak. Kalau kalian follow Instagramnya Poika, ya, ini di follow nih di sini.
Yes.
Bos itu Poika follow Instagram Poika. Poika udah nge-share cara masaknya. Nanti bakal Poika bikin highlight di Instastory, di Instagram. Terus ada apa bang? Itu apa namanya?
Terima kasih.
Nah, namanya apa? Vad heter det?
Nama apa? Grupp. Nama saya Linus.
Nah, ini namanya apa? Vad heter det? Ya, Lina udah habis dah. Börja med B.
Enak. Baruan.
Yeay. Baruan. Terus ada saus apa?
Saus bearnaise.
Saus bearnaise. Ada salad, timun sama tomat. Poika ada sambal goreng. Terus ada sambal kecap juga. Terus di sini candlelight. Ada nasi.
Dan
mashed potato,
kentang tumbuk.
Ya udah, sekarang kita mulai makan aja, tapi kita berdoa dulu bang. Berafish. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amin. Kita minumnya air putih. Så, vilken vill du ha? Bröstet?
Ja tack.
Herman, börja eller där?
Det är ingen aning.
Vi gör så.
Inte rumpa.
Nah, katanya jangan kasih pantatnya. Enggak lah. Ini
Enak.
den är ben. Kan ge till mig sen.
Ja.
Merah?
Ja.
Mantap. Masih juicy.
Det var ganska mycket jag älskar. Wow.
Ya. Dan tentu saja Poika pahanya.
So I will not be hungry next year.
Until next year ya. Mandela benen tuh. Susah kita tarik aja. Paha. Salad.
Ja.
Tentu saja kita pakai sambal goreng. Terus sambal kecap.
Saus bearnaise.
Ya begini dah ya, makan candlelight dinner kita.
Skål.
Makan cuy. Aduh. Tetap baik ya, pegang pakai tangan. Cocok pakai sambal.
Good. Enak.
Kan jag få en Baruan? Tack.
Sama-sama.
Ja. Terima kasih. Mama.
Kalkon was very good, very tender, and katang Tamak.
Tumbuk.
Tumbuk. Kentang tumbuk was also very good. A little bit spicy, but very good. But best was the timon and the tomatoes. Very good, thank you.
Empuk banget kalkunnya. Ini pakai ungkep dulu yang lama, baru masuk oven. Yes. Sambal kecapnya cuma bawang, tomat, cabai, sama limo, sama kecap. Udah itu aja.
Kamu makan kecap? Kecap dan
Cabai.
sambal. Kalau kalian biasa tahun baru ngapain? Selain bakar-bakaran. Vad brukar vi göra på nyårsafton? Du kan berätta. So typically we celebrate. We spend the time together. We try to use the time every minute to be together, and we like to play games, take a walk, and so on during the daytime. Eat food together, and then when in the evening we continue to play games, have quizzes maybe, and a lot of laughter. New Year's is typically a very happy celebration, and we have a lot of laughs, and then we eat a candlelight dinner together, very romantic, and then we have fireworks at the midnight, and after we cheer for the new year, and we call all our friends that we are not together with. We give them a ring, and then some people party a lot, and some people look at the movie or continue playing games and things like that. This is typical New Year's evening.
But that no, when it's pandemic.
No, in pandemic we have to be alone, watching movie.
Biasanya Kavia, Ani pada kesini, Ted, Cole, Gustav. Tapi tahun ini kita cuma berdua aja. TV di belakang.
So thank you for Ika, my wife.
Thank you
for 2020. A good year with a lot of Friday cozy, and I hope for a good 2021.
Amin.
Amin.
Manis.
Skål.
Cuy. Malam ini Poika cheating day. Makannya banyak banget. Nanti ini sisanya kita simpen kulkas. Kita makan lagi besok. Terus kalau masih sisanya kita taruh di freezer. Jadi kalau makan tinggal dipanasin lagi. Itu cuy. Mantap. Mantul cuy. Kalau tahun baru di Swedia biasanya makan apa, Bang?
Yes, we have very many traditions at Christmas, but not as many on New Year's Eve. So at Christmas we have the meatballs, we have the Prince sausages, we have the fish, etc. and the Johnson's frestelse, which is a potato gratin. But at New Year we typically are much freer in our tradition, so you can find many kind of food on New Year's. It's not that restricted as the Christmas food in that sense. You can find people eating pizzas at New Year. You can find people eating very nice dinner with but everything in between as well. So I think it's up to you yourself. It's no one will judge you if you have your own touch on the food on New Year's Eve, like you had today. You had a lot of touches here.
Okay. Good.
Very good.
Look. Itu tulang kalkunnya panjang banget. Sejengkal ada kali.
And what do you eat in Indonesia on New Year's Eve?
We barbecue, grill, chicken, corn. We eat with rice and soya sambal, or maybe with sambal goreng, maybe with chili sauce.
But you're not allowed to eat pizza.
Not so often. No, not pizza.
No.
Maybe fish. We grill fish. Oh, just grill.
Maybe tomorrow we can do barbecue.
No.
Why not?
We have we have so much food already. Kenyang. Kenyang. So, are you finished?
So, cheers for the new year. I hope we will have a very nice 2021.
Amen.
And we have a wish, secret wish, both you and I.
Ska jag göra det?
Yes, every month.
We make wish.
Yes.
And 2, 3. Amen.
Amen.
Skål!
Skål! And to all of you at home, I also want to bring the best wishes for 2021. I hope it will be a safe and good year for you.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Cipak-cipak! Dadah! Assalamualaikum!
Waalaikumsalam.